Hello Melanie, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Lexus CT 200 Hybrid. The vehicle has absolutely low mileage, it's just 33,000 kilometers on it. And the price is $22,888 including safety. It has a keyless entry. You can keep the fob in your pocket or purse, and then you can open the vehicle. The vehicle comes again, as I said, the fully certified. It's been detailed, and it has the second set of tires. So these are the all-season summer tires, and it comes with the winter tires as well on steel rims. Here we go. Just open the ignition for you. It's because it's a hybrid, it's just amazing on the gas. It's absolutely low on gas. It takes about 6 liters per 100 kilometers average. So here's your mileage. Here is the car proof, which is clean. There is no accidents, no damages. We bought the vehicle from another dealer in Quebec and brought it from there to here. If you have any questions regarding the vehicle, or you want to come to see, please, you're more than welcome. Come by, take a look. It's silver on black, and it looks and drives perfect. If you have any questions, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.